Get the espresso ready, because boy, do I have a treat for you. Crispy, chewy, citrusy, not too sweet, but oh so delicious. That's right, today we're making limoncello cookies. So delicious, so easy, and it makes a lot. Yes, please. For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or just wait till the end of the video, it's gonna be right there. So let's do this, oh yeah. Alrighty, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then in a large bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar, along with the zest of 1 large lemon. About a little more than a tablespoon of zest you need. So what we're going to do is we're going to whisk this together, just to get the lemon oils mixed in with the sugar. This way you're guaranteed a nice lemony bite in each bite. Next up, you're going to add half a cup of softened, unsalted butter, and you're going to mix this together until it's all nice, smooth, and creamy. Just like that. And then you're going to add 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of limoncello, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we're going to mix this all together until it's all nice, smooth, and creamy. And then lastly, we're going to add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So let's mix it until we get a nice dough going. Just like that. And now we're ready to portion it out. So here are my parchment-lined baking sheet. And now you're going to want to do tablespoon-sized portions, or if you have one of these handy-dandy cookie scoops, now'd be time to pull it out. All right, so now we're going to portion these right onto the parchment paper. And you want to space them just about 2 inches apart, because they are going to spread out. But, this cookie's going to be so good. So yummy. Perfect for summer. All right, so now we're going to portion out the rest. Just like that. So now it's ready for the oven. So into our preheated 375 degree oven, they're going to go for just about 12 to 14 minutes. You'll see they're going to flatten out nicely. The edges should look a little bit golden and brown, not too dark. And the middle should look set, like it shouldn't look too wet. If it still looks wet, it's not ready. If it looks too dry, then you overcooked it. You definitely don't want to overcook these. So definitely start looking at them at around the 11-minute mark. All right, so into the oven they're going to go. And exactly 12 minutes later, they're done. They're actually a little too done. I should have pulled them out at 11 minutes. All right, so I'll adjust the time on the recipe. But so what we're going to do now is allow these to cool on the tray. Oh, look, those are kissing. We're going to allow these to cool on the tray for 5 minutes. Then we're going to carefully remove them, put them on a cooling rack, and allow them to cool for 1 hour. Oh, but I can't wait to try these. They look so good. Yum! Buon appetito. Oh. You hear the crispy part, right? Beautifully crispy on the outside. So moist and chewy on the inside. Oh, these are amazing. Where's the espresso? Or the tea. But these are amazing. Not too sweet. Beautifully citrusy, like it's not even that overwhelming. These are just a fabulous, fabulous cookie. You need to try these, and if you do, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!
So good! Are you ready for that thing? I'm ready. Let's do this. Alrighty, so for today's shockwave, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of vodka. We're going to do 1 ounce of limoncello. Half an ounce of blue curacao. And we're going to do 1.5 ounces of lemon juice. Fresh is best. Nice. So now we're gonna give this good shaky, and we pour. Let's see. Oh, look at that! Nice. Let's give it a try. Salute. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. You get the sweet first, a little bit of the vodka, and then you just get all the lemon. You get the lemon juice, the limoncello, and it just explodes in your mouth. Oh, it's fantastic. It's a party in the mouth. So if you try this, let us know. If you try those amazing limoncello cookies, those would be great as ice cream sandwich cookies too. Let me tell you, the vanilla ice cream, amazing. Let us know if you try that too. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Love you guys so much. Mwah.